Somehow I did practice yesterday of English speaking practice, but if I talk about today I didn't have time at the daytime. It's if I talk about the time is 10 p.m. right now, and I am just thinking about to make video. So I just open the camera and just started speaking. I don't have any topic, but still I will going to speak anything at least 10 minutes so that I can complete the task of the day. This is how I am getting fluency, because fluency is not a kind of thing you will achieve within a day or within a week or within a month, within a year. It is depend how much effort you are just giving to achieve that fluency. This is the easy and the simple way to explain, and there is no one in my room. This is why I am making this video. If there will be in my room, I will definitely going to embarrass, and sometimes I feel shy because I didn't make any video at my home when there is someone with me, and now I am all alone in my room. This is why I am making this video. And they are two kids, but they are not in my room right now. This is why I am making this video. I hope you are getting my point, what I want to say, because I don't want to let people know and let even my family know I make these kinds of video for my YouTube channel or not. I don't want anyone know about my video or something. So it is all about till now. And if I talk about what did I what did I do today? So I was at my sister's house. So I left around at from my sister's house around at 4:15 p.m. with my sister. I came to my home with my sister, and I reached at my home around at 7 p.m. Yes, it took around 3 hours to reach at my home. So I came at the time of 7 p.m. And after that, I don't have any topic. On what topic should I speak on? I just describe my day. What did I did today? So this is what I did today. I don't have any topic to speak on, and I am just thinking about if somebody suddenly enter in to my room, what would I going to do? I am just thinking in my mind. I'm not thinking in my mind like what should I speak and what topic should I speak on. I am just thinking about what if someone comes into my room suddenly, and everyone can enter into my room in through this gate. So I am just worrying about, because this is my first time I am making this video at my home. This is the first time, really first time. I didn't make any video, and you can see this is the Lado. She is my sister's daughter. You can see this is what I was worrying about. If because I don't have I don't even think about what kind of topics should I speak on, or some kind of I don't even I don't know for what and about what I am talking about. But there is one thing I am talking about, that is I am speaking you know in a sequence. It doesn't make sense, but still I am making this video. So this is enough for the day. I will definitely going to continue. I am making this video because of I don't want to break the consistency. I am making this video for only for this purpose, so that I can't skip or break the consistency of mine. This is why I am recording. Otherwise, I can skip, but I am not skipping, because of consistency is a kind of thing I can't even break, because it is my 130 a day. This is why I'm just thinking, what if I skip one day? I would be, habitual of skipping or some kind of, things like, okay, I should, let's break it, my consistency. This is why I'm making this video. So that I can, make, you know, tell my mind like, okay, I am kind of person who is punctual, who is, consistent. This is how I am training my mind. Okay, so this is all about till now, and I didn't even, have my dinner till now. And my mother was, asking me to have dinner, and my sister as well, along with my bhabhi. Okay, so I am just going to have some food in my dinner because I am full. Right now, I am full. I was having, many kinds of item. I don't even think about to have it because of, I was on diet, but not now. From yesterday, I am eating anything what I am just having. Cold drink, samosa, tikki, oily things, or any kinds of fat or sweets as well. I avoid sweets, but from yesterday I am just having. So this is not about I am a kind of person who avoids, but I have it because it's a life. I can avoid for few weeks, few months as well. But what if I am going to a function? I am going and I'm just going to join any party. So I have to have it. This is why I don't think about, okay, I intake this much sweets and I intake this much fat. I don't even think about. I only think about, am I fit right now? And I will be fit. This is all what I want. I want to be fit. I don't want to, ignore anything. I want to taste everything. So this is all about till now. I am just speaking regularly last 7 minutes, and still I don't have a topic to speak on, but still I am just making this video right now. And if you are watching this video and you are thinking like, okay, he is not, fluent, he make mistakes. So yes, I sometimes, not always, in my, few videos you can see, in my few videos I am not making so much mistakes. Comparison, if you going to comparison from my, last, or initial videos when I started this challenge of English speaking, you can find the actual difference. Because at what point of time, at that point of time, I was not even, you know, able to speak any sentence without making so much mistakes, even, framing a sentence, grammatical mistake, even, pronunciation mistakes. So somehow I just, controlled. I controlled over making mistakes, but yes, I allow myself to make mistakes so that I can, find at what point of time, at which kind of sentence I, you know, struggle, and how can I, improve it, so that I can, handle it in my next video, in my next conversation. Because sometimes, I want to communicate with real people as well, because this is what it is. So I don't have any topic to speak on. This is why I'm just randomly talking about anything. If you are just, boring from this video, just leave it. Because if I will definitely going to make blog, not at my home, but yes, I will definitely going to start blogging for my this channel as well. And let's see, I will start on my, main channel or not. But in English I will definitely going to start blogging, because through blogging I can, expand my vocabulary. And I will not, going to collect random vocabulary. you know you should not collect random vocabulary. You have to, and you should, collect that vocabulary, so that you can, use that vocabulary in your daily life. And if you are just choosing that vocabulary and using that vocabulary in your daily life, this is perfect for you to grow. This is perfect for you to gaining fluency. So it is all about till now. If you didn't join this channel till now, join this channel so that you will be a part of this channel, so that you can see how much time I have invested and how much time I will definitely going to invest. You will definitely going to know, and how much time it may takes to get actual fluency. I don't have topic. This is why I'm struggling to find out, and as well as in my mind, I'm just thinking like, okay, at what point of time, at not what point of time, at which topic, on what topic should I speak on, and along with, I'm just thinking, how can I, say it? How can I say it? This is why taking so much time, and this is why you are just thinking like, okay, why he's making us boring, by he's a kind of person who make us bore. So bye, see you.